I'm a gangster, I do what gangsters do, and as long as I can help it, I will never hurt you.
Hey, this is the Speed King here with your adrenaline dose. Welcome. This is some advice, please read it and take it. You can probably guess why he is in this category.
I'm a gangster, I do what gangsters do, and as long as I can help it, I will never hurt you.
Check it, video.
First things first, we have to say this rider is not a very bad rider, but he has some mistakes on the roads. This rider is not a bad rider. He just believes he is a little bit faster than everyone else, and that's the mistake. And finally, some fun. Why not? Yeah, right on the street and happy riding. Oh! Never forget the first rule of riding a motorcycle. You always look straight. What can I say? You know this is going to get pretty bad. If you ride like this, you can expect something good out of this.
Dejala, po. No la apagas. Se está prendiendo mal,
If you have to lower the speed on your motorcycle, you probably know that you are going wrong. Oh, that ended pretty bad for the motorcycle. Oh, don't tell me this isn't you riding with your group of friends on a Sunday. Yeah, guys, you like to ride very fast. Just imagine the kind of confidence you will have to have to go on a corner at 299 kilometers per hour. This here, my friends, is pure craziness. Oh my, that was a risky move, but that song was, oh my god. I hope you liked this compilation. If that was true, leave a like please and comment which are the 2 worst raiders for you on this compilation. I see you in the next video. Stay updated for your next adrenaline dose.